What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? We over here messing around with. Try to move this thing out the way. Actually, let me see this. Okay. Well, that's not what we want. So we're gonna mess around with this pocket options, and I just want to do the check in with you. Let's see what pocket options does. See what they know what they do. Let's just play the game. I'm in a demo account. Um, we do an OTC market. I'll be switching in and out for anything I find that might look good. I'm on a 15-second time expiration. I think I'm on the 1 minute candles right now. So let's get into it, man. Let's see what's up. We at 2,300. Let's see if we can pop it off. Maybe get 2,500 for the day. Like this demo, we just practicing and stuff, man. We're gonna try to take high probability trades all day long, and let's go. So right here, you can see that that's already, the moving averages are already crossing. They've already crossed. I typically don't take any kind of trades that's past 3 candles in that direction, because to me, that's high chance for it to turn around. Yeah, as you see on the screen, I got the MACD and I got the RSI. RSI showing oversold. And the MACD down. The MACD is showing that it's down below. I like MACDs on the cross. I'm not messing with that right now. Let's go to American Express. Now, see, that looks good right there. See a MACD on the cross. See the RSI is already kind of up, but you see that cross. I'm gonna take a trade. Let's take $100. Sometimes on a pullback, you should really wait for for it to pull back really good. And usually it pulls back, as you see the countdown on the candle is about at 40 seconds. Usually the pullback is coming in about 5 seconds. So we didn't make nothing on that one because I went in too early. See, there's the pullback right there. Then once you see that, jump in. Now let's just see what it does and stuff, because it still looks like it's going, the momentum is going upwards. So we might get it, we might not. Let's just see what's going on. I could take trades. The best thing really I found is don't keep taking trades. We got 190 in profit right there. So we made the money back. Let's check the next candle out. We got 5 seconds. The best time to take trades is if you get a big candle with a flat bottom going up. That's a green candle with a flat bottom going up. Then you take it. Like, see right there, I should have took that. I'm late. I should have took that earlier. As soon as it hit, I should have took that. So because anytime you get a flat bottom going up, that's a good indicator. If you have it, you see these is on an incline. This is taking higher highs and higher highs. See, we made another 190. So right now, I think that it's reaching at its top. As you see, it's getting a lot of resistance. I'm leaving it alone right there at that resistance, because really that's not a high probability trade anymore. To me, it's just not exciting enough. We could reduce it down and look at it. It still looks like it's in a downtrend. Really, it's probably about to hit the resistance and may probably go back in the opposite direction, because it is already going in the downtrend. Let's move on to the next one. Look what we got. Bank of America. Did we already look at Bank of America? Bank of America. Look at that. You see that cross right there? That's a cross right there, but we hit a doji. So you never make a trade on a doji, because high probability of it going in another direction. So you wait for the next candle to show you what it's going to do. Right now, we look down at the MACD. It haven't did no cross. We look at the RSI. You see it's overbought. So, we hold tight. Let's see what's going on. See, there's the reverse. See, so it's a lot of momentum coming from the top, pushing down. So we don't take that. Let's move on. We don't waste no time. Time is money, y'all. Time is money. Let's see what's up. Oh, look, it's about to do a breakout. Look like it's breaking out. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. I might take that. I might take that. I might take that. I did take that. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what we got. I can't tell what it's going to do. It's already kind of high. It's oversold on the RSI. That's not the highest probability. I should have waited till it did a better cross. But hey, we broke even on that. We didn't even make any money on that one. So, I really should wait on that until I really should have waited on that one. But let's go and move on. We don't harp on stuff. Let's go to Walt Disney. See what kind of Mickey Mouse stuff is going on here. This looks good. This looks good. Okay, let's wait a minute. Be patient, y'all. Be patient. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. I'm looking at the MACD. It's in a downward direction. Boom. There it go right there. I might take it right now. I wait for a pullback. I might take another one just to see what it's gonna do. Who knows, man? Who knows? I really should have took that right at the beginning when I saw it. As soon as I came on the screen, I should have took it right at the beginning, because now I'm late. So we had 22.63. We made a profit of $100 on that one. It says, I don't know why it's moving my amount. Not really right, but anyway, something's weird. So I'll take it again because I'm just spicy like that. I still think it got a lot of momentum in it. I studied the candle, watch the candle behavior. If you see it won't keep push, if you see it try to push down but it won't go farther, then you know it's gonna keep pushing up. We got 192. What I say we stopping at? 2,500. Okay, so we got $50 more to get. Let's see what we got. I think this one kind of wore out. It's kind of tired. It's starting to pull back a little bit too much for me. Let's move on. Walt Disney, that was cute. Let's go Facebook. Why not, Mark? Why not, Mark? That's RSI up there pretty high. We in a downtrend, as you can see. Look at that big downtrend, but it looks like it wants to start turning around, going the other direction. We 56 seconds into the candle. Let's look at the last two candles. The two candles are getting weaker and weaker. That's always a sign that it's about to go negative. It's about to go down, but we don't know because we're still in a higher high. And the last candle before showed a big old wick. That means a lot of pressure pushing from the top, trying to push this candle down. So usually when you see that, it's good, especially on the 15 seconds, to go into a negative, to go down and do a sell. So as you can see, you would have caught that probably for the 15 second sale. But now you see the doji is starting to turn green. So we're getting a lot of pressure. Look down at the MACD. The MACD saying upward direction. If I was slick, I might take that buy right now. Just this is a dangerous trade because you never take a trade on a doji. You know what I'm saying? Because you never know the direction it's gonna go. You always wait for the confirmation candle. See, there's a confirmation, which is actually a sale. So, I should have really just took a sale right there. Waited for that doji to finish out and took the sale. But I don't even think it got enough momentum. This is not a high probability. Let's move on. Unless we wait until we see that moving average cross over that other moving average, then we might just get it. As you see, I got my EMA at 35. It's a lot of strength pushing down. We can see our momentum down at the MACD. The candles are starting to drop, going lower and lower. If I see that green line crossing over that orange, then that might just be the move. But it don't look like it's enough power. I'm moving on. Let's see, Lukoil, whatever that is. That's a big sign right there. You see that? See that? Crossing over. Boom. Oh shit! I meant to go down. I meant to do a sale. That's my fault. I'm just wilding today. And now I lost too much money. See, bad habits. Don't y'all do that. All right, so we at 22. It's not strong enough, but let's see if it break out of this. It just might. I gotta change my fingers because I keep hitting the buys when I should be hitting the sales. Let me see. Let's look back and see, because you look back, you see, oh, it's gonna definitely go. I'm going into a buy. I believe, because you look at that trend, you see it hasn't even meet, except for this support right there. I would try to go into a sale to try to get it out, but it kept hitting that support. And now it's reversing. Yeah, I'll keep on going. That's not really doing what I wanted to do. So let's do something. Let's check Pfizer. Really, I don't like to go down in these 80% ones. It's in a downtrend. It's in a downtrend. Cross D on the MACD, RSI going down. I'm taking it down because we still got a lot of room before it hit a support. So let's just see what it do. Let's see what it do. Candle's real weak though. It's getting tougher and tougher. Well, normally by now I would have stopped because anytime you start losing more than my rule is if you lose 3 in a row, you need to stop doing what you're doing because obviously you're not trading right. So I see a lot of pressure coming from the top on this one. Who knows what it's going to do? Really hard to see. So there you go. We back at 2231. I think it's going to keep going, but not really. I mean, again, you just have to really just keep your eye on it. We do Bank of America. Let's see, nothing there. You don't see no movement with the crossover with it yet. Yeah, I mean, it's just too iffy. It's too iffy. It's really in an uptrend. I mean, if I wanted to do it, I could have buy it at the bottom and just hope that it's gonna keep going up. But I mean, with all those green dojis behind it, meaning that's a lot of pressure pushing it down, I wouldn't even trust that. I just move on. Just keep moving, man. You got to be a dancer. You got to be like JoJo. You got to be a dancer out here, man. Keep going. Now, you see that crossover? And you got a crossover down at the MACD. So the question is, where you going? You look like got a lot of pressure going from pushing, trying to push up. Again, and now we're on the regular candlesticks. We're not on we're not on the other candlesticks. So this is a lot of pressure going up. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go up. I believe in you. I'm gonna take it from the bottom too. Ooh, this gonna be my last trade, y'all. Oh, don't look good. Don't look good. But then again, ow. So, because we're on a 15-second candle, we can catch it like that, you know. Well, we got 23. I'm still trying to get to 25 so I can get up out of here. Come on, let's keep it moving, y'all. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it fresh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You see that? You see that fall like that? You see that fall? You catch that fall, you just might make some easy money, y'all. I'm saying, pay attention. I'm late. I'm late. I'm late. I'm late. I'm late. Ah, I'm too late. Okay. Well, let's move on. Boy. And then I'm going to cut y'all loose. I like the way that look. It look like it's hungry for some upward pressure. But it's pushing from the top. You gotta press down on the candle before in the red. You gotta press down on the green candle, which is damn near turning into a complete doji and stuff. It's about to turn red. If you push, there it goes. Turn red. So that means there's a lot of pressure pushing from the top on down. So I really couldn't really trust that. I don't really know what trend that's in. I don't know what space that's in. You taking a guess. You'd be just basically taking a wild guess. It's not really a high probability. You know, you'd be really taking a wild guess. Like until they make another move, we don't know what it's gonna do. Check the next candle. Now I always take that. Always take that. because you can see the resistance at the top. Resistance top still had enough room to go. It's going to slow down up there where you see the other candles slowing down right about there. Look at that. Wow. No real pullback. No real pullback. It's still going. It's still going. Let's see what. Let's look back to look forward. Oh, okay. So now you can see, or if you look to your left, you see where it's starting to meet resistance. Just look at market structure. Market structure tell you everything right there. It's going to meet resistance because that's where it met at before. You see that? So, you just, you just let it do what it's doing because it's probably done played itself up for that second. So we looking for the moves, man. We looking for the moves. I told you I'm gonna let y'all go. We looking for the moves, y'all. We look for moves like that. You don't just make money. You're not really trying to play around here and stuff, man. You can see that moving average, damn near about to cross the other moving average, telling you that it's in an uptrend. There it is, right there. I take that all day. I take that. See, wow. See, I should have really been paying more attention to the MACD. There's no cross there. The bad trade. I was just looking at candle, not looking at no indicators and stuff. But you see what it did. You see what it did. So now we at 2,600 fellas, good big fellas, pretty ladies. We're gonna go ahead and call it on that one. I said we want to make 2,500. We at 26. It's game over. You know what I'm saying? And I really appreciate y'all checking it out. I think this is my first time ever recording like this, so you know, check me out. Check y'all one time.